All right, folks, ever wished you had eyes like an owl when the sun dips below the horizon? Or maybe you're just tired of fumbling around in the dark? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're shining a light, or rather not shining a light, on some absolutely stellar night vision goggles that are truly next level. We've dug through the jungle of gadgets to bring you our top 5 picks, perfect for everything from wildlife spotting to getting around your backyard when the power's out. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's dive into the world of seeing in the dark. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the generic night vision goggles. These bad boys are a real game changer if you need to see everything in the pitch black, hands-free. Imagine spotting wildlife or navigating tricky terrain with a crystal clear 4K view and an impressive 8x zoom, all while keeping your hands free for other important stuff. It's like having superhuman night vision right out of a movie. Basically, the ultimate upgrade for your nocturnal adventures. Next up, we have the HUVIOVED night vision goggles, and holy cow, these things are something else. With a 4K resolution and a genuine 3D visual experience, you'll feel like you're watching the world come alive in a whole new dimension, even in total darkness. They come with a comfortable head strap too, making them perfect for extended wear when you're out, exploring or just observing. Basically, the immersive experience your night vision dreams have been waiting for. Moving on to the Goyojo night vision binocular, this little powerhouse is built like a tank and seriously tough against the elements with an IP66 waterproof rating. It's a monocular, so you get a clear 1080p view through one eye, leaving the other free for situational awareness, which is super handy. Plus, you can even mount it to a helmet for true hands-free operation with its 3x zoom. Basically, your compact, rugged companion for cutting through the darkness. And for our 4th pick, check out the generic B night vision goggles. These head-mounted wonders are rechargeable, which is a big win, and they give you a fantastic viewing range of up to 984 feet. That's almost 3 football fields. With 5x digital zoom, you won't miss a thing. Whether you're camping, hunting, or just trying to figure out what that rustling sound was in your backyard. Basically, the long-range eyes you need when the lights go out. Finally, to round out our list, we've got the TZCOD night vision binoculars, and these are packed with features. Not only do they let you see clearly in the dark, but they also include a 32 GB memory card, letting you capture photos and videos of all your nighttime exploits. Imagine recording that elusive animal, or documenting your campouts. It's an absolute blast. Basically, your personal cinematographer for all things dark and mysterious. And that's our rundown of some seriously cool night vision tech. Hope you found something that catches your eye. Even in the dead of night, stay safe out there and happy exploring.